Hi boys and girls! Today I'm going to teach you how to make rice flour. It's ultra hard to make it, super difficult, and it will take you a lot of time. We need rice and that's all. You can use whatever variant of rice, whole grain like this one, a normal round one, or an aromatic rice that you prefer. We can even mix different types and make a super special flour. To prepare it, we have to use a blender, a grinding machine, or even a coffee grinder. Put it inside, grind it, and you have to stop the machine from time to time. If the machine breaks down, then it won't be profitable to prepare this homemade rice flour. So make it slowly. If you are using a low potency machine, use a small amount of rice for it to get it finely grounded. After that, we are going to strain it with a gadget like this one or with a fine strainer. Probably there will be some waste, which is the part that did not grind. If you obtain too much waste, you could grind it again so you optimize the rice. And what can you do with this rice flour? You can make bread, Japanese mochis, biscuits, crackers, coating. It is very useful for thickening sauces, and also some people use it for beauty mask recipes or even dog biscuits. It is great for celiac and gluten-free recipes. Well friends, this video was pretty simple and it's only grinding rice and that's all. But I want to make it to give you an idea that it's super easy to prepare this kind of flour by yourself. Also, I know in many countries some of you are having trouble getting basic staples of wheat flour. So this video is dedicated to you. I hope you find it useful. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any doubt or telling me what are you going to make with this flour. See you in the next video.